This video is all about what's inside my refrigerator. Don't you guys think it's so fun to see what other people buy and how they organize their fridge? Well, I'm gonna show you a look into mine. So here is the refrigerator side, a nice big refrigerator, and then here is the freezer side. And I'll show you inside the refrigerator first. So I'll show you how I organize things and then also what some of our favorite foods are. I love these containers. I like how they're clear and they have a little handle so they can pull out easily. And it helps you to group all of your foods into categories. So they're easier to find and it just makes it look better. Bitchin' sauce is one of our favorite dips. We like the chipotle and the cilantro chili. We love tzatziki sauce and we also love guacamole. I'm gonna try out this mango salsa for the first time. That was from Costco. This is our favorite peanut butter. I love the ingredients in it. It's very simple. And then I've shown this before. I love the chicken tortilla soup from Costco. We like the little holy guacamole packs. I like this yogurt lately. I go in and out of phases of liking yogurt and not liking yogurt, but this is really good with the keto granola from Costco, and I'll show you that in our pantry tour. The kids love Chobani flips, so I always have a big stock of those. And then they also love yogurt tubes and cheese sticks in their lunch, so I like emptying everything out of the packaging. Then you don't have all that mess and wasted space in the fridge, and then the kids can easily pull these out themselves. On this middle drawer, I like to keep this area open for leftovers because we always have tons of leftovers. We just had pasta and meatballs last night. I really especially love these clear containers for fruit because you know how the fruit gets so messy and there's always like leaking of strawberries and raspberries. So this way it goes into the container and not here. So it's much easier to just rinse this out and give it a quick wipe. And while I'm talking about it, here is what I use to clean out my refrigerator. I love these sprays because they smell so good and it makes the refrigerator smell really nice and fresh. So this is our favorite salsa. That's from Costco as well. And then we also love this cheese, also from Costco. And I always grab one of their big chickens because they are huge and I think like $5 or something, and you can make quesadillas or really anything with them. We love the organic milk because it lasts forever, and my kids like to have a little bit of this mixed into it, and I like this as a choice because it's unsweetened and it's almond milk. Let's check out the drawers. In the first drawer we have all of our cold cuts. We do lots of turkey. I like these individual portions for my son's lunch, and then I'll put like a piece of cheese cut up for him with some crackers so he can make like his own little turkey and cheddar like cracker sandwiches. And then these are the hard-boiled eggs that we like. And then we have more like turkey and ham underneath here. Colby Jack cheese, Munster cheese. Those are always good snacks. They had these at Costco for a 6-pack. So I thought those were nice just to keep in the refrigerator as like an after-school snack or something so my kids can grab it. We love this Trader Joe's maple chicken breakfast sausage. Sometimes we'll do biscuits on the weekends. The middle drawer is all veggies. I love to do these salads for lunch. They're like the $3 or $4 salads from Costco or Sprouts. And then these veggies that are in the bags are so great for easy meals as a side for dinner. So I have the baby zucchini, and then I got these at Target, the broccoli and cauliflower and the green beans. So easy, just microwave them in the bag. And then I always have tons of these like different kinds of salads on hand. And then the bottom drawer is mainly meats. We love this Santa Maria tri-tip from Costco, and then my kids love this tortellini, so I keep some extra things down here. And then all of our different tortillas. We like these ones for quesadillas, these Mission ones, Mission organic tortillas that you cook in the frying pan, and that's a really great easy snack. Here is my side door, and sometimes these are the most interesting in other people's houses to see what kind of condiments they like. So this is the butter that we use. Cream cheese, we love this, the Greek yogurt cream cheese. And then let me see some other highlights. This is my favorite ranch dressing. I love how it's low calorie. And I also like this raspberry walnut vinaigrette sometimes. It's a nice little change of pace. This is always a staple in our house, the very, very teriyaki, and the, I think this is it here, the island, yeah, island teriyaki. That's really good. This is a really nice glaze from Trader Joe's. I use that with my feta tomato dip. Anyone else obsessed with these sparkling ice drinks? They're so good, and I only keep a few out here. The reason why you don't see any drinks in the refrigerator is because we have an extra refrigerator freezer in our laundry room, and that is jam-packed full of drinks and extra food, like all the big stuff from Costco. So maybe I'll show you that after I show you the freezer. Okay, so let's check out what's in my freezer. I try to keep it somewhat organized and categorized in terms of like different types of foods. So the first shelf is mainly breakfast stuff like waffles, pancakes, sausages. There's a whole bunch of sausage back there. These giant ice cubes are so awesome. I will link them for you in case you don't know what they are, but they're really fun for a drink. And then I love the Trader Joe's spinach artichoke dip. That's great just to have on hand as a yummy snack. I don't know if you guys eat these little egg white things. They're good on the go, and I take them out of the big bulky packaging and put them in a bag just to try to save space. And then here I have like just different burgers, tuna burgers, regular ones, chicken patties, and then I have all different kinds of rice. So this is really a good one from Trader Joe's. I also love the hibachi fried rice. So that comes in like a box of 3 packs, and then you just microwave them. And then I also have just regular brown rice. It's just a great easy side. And then on the next shelf, we like scallops in our family, so I keep bags of frozen scallops because that's a really easy dinner, just to saute these and throw them in with some pasta, or even the edamame pasta is good. And then I have some other like appetizer things kind of shoved back in there. And then the next shelf is like pot stickers and Goyas. So my kids are really big on these lately. Those are from Trader Joe's. And then I have more like fried rice, the chicken fried rice from Trader Joe's. And then my husband and I also love this chicken tiki masala. Okay, so the next shelf down, I have mainly like pastas and French fries. My kids love this fettuccine Alfredo. And then our favorite French fries are these Alexia brand crispy truffle fries. I have sweet potato fries shoved in the back there. My kids also love this Mandarin orange chicken. Whoop, there goes the cod. They love this Mandarin orange chicken, and then we're also big on meatballs. So I have, gosh, probably like, I think like at least 4 meatball bags shoved in here, and then I have more in the laundry room freezer. Okay, so next in the drawers, I keep all the veggies in the first drawer, and I try to stand them up like sideways so you can see what you have in here. And our favorite go-to veggie is the edamame. All you have to do is microwave it. You put lots of butter and salt on it, and the kids really like it too. And then have you guys had the tricolor rainbow cauliflower? It's really good from Trader Joe's. And then the last drawer, I keep like meats and fish. So I like to always keep mahi-mahi on hand, and shrimp, and salmon. If I can find it. Yeah, there's some salmon down there. Those are also easy dinners. And then on the side here is just some miscellaneous, like random snack things. My kids like to make smoothies, so I keep this stuff on the side door. They like this acacia super fruit pack. That's really easy for them to make their own smoothies. Okay, so next up, I'll show you our extra refrigerator freezer in the laundry room, which really comes in handy for big stuff like the Costco extras and drinks. So let's head over there. Here's where our extra refrigerator is in the laundry room, and I think the builder was so brilliant in putting a space in the laundry room rather than the garage. It makes it so much nicer because you don't have to go out to the garage. And we like having this extra space because we can store all of our drinks and have all these bottles out here rather than in the main fridge. So we just have like Gatorade and Diet Pepsi and beer. And I don't know if you guys have tried Zevia, but I love this soda as an alternative to the regular like Diet Pepsi. It's just a little bit healthier without all the caramel coloring. And then, you know, we have these drawers for like the extra Costco stuff, the bulkier items. And then down here in the freezer part, it's pretty much a mess, but it's nice just to have these bigger things in here. We keep all of our frozen pizzas in this freezer. And down here too, and like, you know, chicken nuggets and just, you know, bigger items. So this has really, really been convenient, and I love having it in the laundry room.